Finding the best cordless handheld mixer can feel tricky when you just want quick mixing without cords in the way. The best cordless handheld mixer is ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and busy US homes where counter space and outlets are limited. I've used cordless mixers for quick frosting, eggs, and light batters, and the freedom really does make baking feel easier. After testing and researching kitchen tools for years, I know what actually works day to day. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Tumity Cordless Hand Mixer. The Tumity Cordless Hand Mixer is made for quick, simple kitchen tasks. I like how light it feels in hand. It's easy to grab for eggs, cream, or mashed potatoes without planning ahead. The near-silent use really stands out. I can mix early in the morning and not wake anyone up. That alone feels thoughtful. The 3 speeds are basic but practical. I found them enough for daily cooking and light baking. The auto shut safety adds peace of mind. It turns off if it runs too long, which helps protect the motor. Cleanup is easy too. The beaters pop out fast and go straight into the dishwasher. Battery life is fine for small jobs, but it's not built for heavy dough. Still, for simple mixing and quiet use, it feels calm, convenient, and beginner-friendly. Number 4. Beizuzu Cordless Electric Hand Mixer. The Beizuzu Cordless Electric Hand Mixer feels like a smart upgrade for everyday baking. The first thing I noticed was the freedom. No cord, no outlet hunt. That alone makes quick mixing less stressful. The 12-speed control gives real flexibility. I can start slow for flour, then speed up for smooth batter. That helps avoid messy splashes. The mixer feels light in hand and easy to guide. I like how calm it sounds too. The quiet motor build is great for early mornings or shared homes. The stainless steel attachments feel solid and clean easily. The snap-on storage case keeps everything together, which saves space. For heavy dough, battery use is something to watch. Still, for cakes, cream, and eggs, it performs smoothly. This mixer feels modern, simple, and very easy to live with. Number 3. binROC Cordless Hand Mixer. The binROC Cordless Hand Mixer is all about ease and freedom. I noticed that right away when I moved from counter to table without a cord in the way. The cordless freedom makes quick baking feel relaxed, even in small kitchens. The mixer feels balanced in hand and not too loud, which helps during early mornings. What I really enjoy is the digital speed view. It clearly shows the speed, so there's no guessing. Starting slow helps avoid splatter. That works well for cake batter and eggs. The 7 speeds cover most home recipes with ease. The stainless steel attachments feel solid and clean up fast. I also like the storage base. Nothing gets lost. One thing to note is battery planning. Heavy dough can drain it quicker. Still, for everyday baking, this mixer feels modern, simple, and very practical. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Professional Cordless Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Professional Cordless Electric Hand Mixer feels made for control lovers. I noticed it right away when dialing the speed. The infinite speed dial lets you ease in slowly, then build power without jumps. That makes a big difference with flour-heavy recipes. The LCD screen is clear and helpful, especially when checking speed or battery mid-mix. I like the quick recharge mode more than I expected. A short charge is enough for cookies or whipped cream, which fits real-life baking at home. The DC motor feels steady and smooth, even with mashed potatoes. It does stay quieter than many corded mixers. That said, it is a bit heavier in hand after long use. Also, very thick dough can drain the battery faster. Still, for cordless control and modern features, this mixer feels practical, smart, and very well suited for busy US kitchens. Number 1. KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Mixer is one of those tools that feels freeing the moment you use it. No cord, no outlet hunt. I grab it for quick frosting, eggs, or pancake batter, and it just works. The cordless freedom makes a real difference in small US kitchens, RVs, and busy mornings. The battery lasts long enough for several mixes, and I like that it stands on its own without dripping on the counter. The soft start control helps keep flour from flying everywhere, which I truly appreciate. The 7 speeds feel well balanced for light to medium tasks. Whipped cream comes out smooth. Cookie dough is fine, though very thick dough can push the limits. It feels solid in hand, but slightly heavier than corded models. Still, for convenience and clean counters, this is one of the best cordless handheld mixer options I've used. Final verdict. If you're looking for the most well-rounded cordless handheld mixer, I personally recommend the KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Mixer as the best overall product. It gives freedom from cords, strong performance across several speeds, and a thoughtful soft start feature that cuts splatter. That makes it easy to use for cakes, eggs, and creams in real kitchens. For a specific need, especially if you want a more budget-friendly cordless option with helpful controls, the Hamilton Beach Professional Cordless Electric Hand Mixer is a solid choice. Its infinite speed dial and quick recharge make it great for everyday tasks without spending big. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the cordless handheld mixer that fits your style and need best.